My friend, Salam alaikum. Peace be on you. Today I am going to show you simplest, easiest, and free method to remove watermark on image. Remove watermark on image. So let's go. Open image you want to remove watermark in Paint. Now, move pointer on left top, a square at top left, where it say Select. Select it. Move your pointer next to watermark. Select small area. Same size as watermark. Now drag the upper edge of select area and move the upper toward watermark and cover the watermark area. Use your smartness and repeat process 2-3 times. So picture looks same. As watermark is cover, save it. And when you open again, watermark is gone.
اللهم صل على محمد اللهم صل على